1mm.
What's the biggest they make?
About 120.
The hell's that go on?
It's still the same shit, though, same housing and shit. You just put a bigger Snell shit on